Yo, I don't wanna lie, cause I'm so humble, yo. I don't wanna lie. I'm so humble. I'm so humble. I'm so humble. I even got like kid nickname for them. I was about to be like, nah, they gonna be called the run up FC because they would have like lost. Yabo. Into I say they would have lost i-MTN 8 baba yi-second baba runners up, MTN 8 baba runners up, Nedbank Cup baba runners up again league because they came second. And yeah, Stellenbosch had many opportunities and they didn't decide to capitalize. They were just, I'm a player nje we-system nje la Stellenbosch. So yeah, and they made cartoons about into trolling us, abakhosi, trolling Mamelodi Sundowns about the Amakiti Mawe America, trolling amakhosi about to Flavio Silva, and talking about what now you get in the airports, Amanto. If I can't even talk. If we are qualified for NTN 8 and they went all the way to actually win it, available, so they gotten away with that trolling. And yeah, I'm so humble. And I saw ukuthi vele kuzoba vele thrilled vele, but the moment they scored vele about the first goal, I was like, nah, fuck the rest of it we see now. The rest of ama-goal vele lawa amanye vele yabo azozingenela lawa amanye ama-goals. And yabo ayifuna ukwenza the way azozingenela. And guess what, kwenzekile lokho ukuthi azingenele, but my bad. I'm sorry. By the way, I just want to say congratulations, and I should have said that from the start. But my God, people's congratulations to Into, to Pagania available. Fuck, let me put this thing here. To Into, to Pagania available. It is actually crazy, but like they've actually won it about 4 times in a row, but abakakayifici because next season they might, I think so, by like season mostly like important for like Amanto, not just the club but also like my fans available, because it will be a thing if they win it next season they're just on the same level very with the course and stuff. And we gave them 10 years, but yeah, I see Koda, congratulations to them. I just wanted to say that. And to the game today ish, I don't think I was focusing that much about, but I'm gonna be speaking about some aspects where that's actually so what 1, 2, 3, 4 happened. So yeah, iGemile yaqala, and yeah, Pirates was just like audit Stellenbosch where but they showed that. I think Stellenbosch they were supposed to be like they wanted more, but Pirates they were like they wanted more. They just wanna keep on creating history available. And Mbappe is afraid of the pressure. But yeah, bebafakile pressure and Stellenbosch was just playing low block balinde ukuthi badlale ngama-helicopter footballs yabo. And Stellenbosch into bayenza ukuthi they will bakhabela ibhola ngale phambili beyozama ukunikeza uDe Jong or ubani uMotshela. And it wasn't working for them, but they were just bokhomba ukuthi vele i-game plan yabo ukuthi mabathola ibhola balifaka phambili and stuff, because they couldn't like keep up well yabo with the. And I said it by the way when I made a show ukuthi now Pirates has more quality and on paper. And I even said it was like my parents might win it well about 3-0, but I'm gonna give Stellenbosch 5-0. And yeah, this is me being humbled. And yeah, congratulations to them and shout out to. And another thing, but say Masabafagubani, this guy more I had like a vision with like uzokora, but I thought which uzokora maybe with like Okera or anything that so then I says extra time Bakorokolo lokuqala. And then I wish like you were one of the people who bahleli Villamasni. I was like, nah, they kind of be after that. Yo, guys, it's torture. I can't be doing this. Oh shit! It's torture, man. I was like, no, I was like, ish, yabo, it's Stellenbosch. One thing about them, our players were, yabo, and with the coach, it starts from their coach. They can't manage their emotions when like things are not going well for them. That's the thing that they can't do. They can't manage their emotions. It was the same thing. Always about they were robbed the last time, but in this game they won. Fair, yeah, labo bakhona vele labo abarobhe khona and stuff, because there was a time uLebito Anto yabo azwisa vele. And then it was like nah, bamusile and nabo bazele bazama ukucheat ama-player wento when Stellenbosch, but this guy Aviator number 11, Stellenbosch was trying to create like more penalties and stuff, and then he got caught. So as I was saying, but some of I was like, nah, Paris definitely gonna win 3-0, and I feel like I just cursed myself because they just won 3-0, and also I was like, nah, maybe somebody gonna be doing what Senegal actually did to ETRC, which is like trailing from 2-0 and then winning it. And if it was something like that, it was going to be huge. Like, I don't wanna lie, it was going to be huge. But yeah, I'm still dreaming. Match leader. Pirates has won MTN 8. Good for y'all. Yeah, I can't say much. But Moremi had a beautiful game. Bani umuntu engazange ngimbone that much bamfaka ibani aswina police vele yabo, but akazange aluze vele amabhola naye. And then another thing on the middle field yabo, ubani Master Chef was just giving that guy yabo, ubani he was giving this guy ubani Palace or in yeah Palace was giving him vele yabo a problem in the middle field. They parts today, guys. I never knew which like there will be days like this about torturing myself. But I hope they're happy, and then the problem is that I couldn't focus on the game that much. My apology, but I just want to say congratulations to him, Stellenbosch, and please guys like my videos. You all and like, so yeah, please engage. Like about even like shooting video right now, I'm torturing myself because of you all about. So please like my video, and I just want to say I appreciate it. And then resubs about. And another thing, I'm grateful to them because hey, you've been having issue with the electricity this side. So yeah, congratulations from me and Kosifen to you all. I don't have none much to say. Nilena troll my cartoons and then you get away. That's mad. That's mad business, but yeah, man. My man of the match, Moremi. Yeah, thank